Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Oh, this is actually a vlog. It is a weekend vlog showing you how I'm managing myself right now as a mom of four. You guys, my life is literally chaotic right now. Like, my hands are so full as a young mama trying to navigate motherhood, but still doing it in what? In style. Now you guys, look at my newborn baby, my pretty fourth baby, my birthday mate. Now, should in case you don't know about that, you need to watch my labor and delivery vlog. Oh no, my no labor and delivery vlog. I'll link that video in the description box. Before I forget to say this, I appreciate you all that watch my video. To my new viewers, you are welcome to Becky the Mommy's YouTube space. Please do not go without hitting the subscribe button. Just click on the subscribe button and join the family. And to my return subscribers, you guys are more than amazing. Thank you for the massive support, for the love you all show me here, for your amazing comments. Oh my God, I always look forward to them because you guys don't know how far your comments go anyway. But thank you so much. So please do relax and enjoy watching this vlog the way it comes, okay?
To feel your full long power next to me, yeah. I'm wearing black and I'm ready to see if you can crack my little boy mystery. 'Cause where I want you to be tonight is cozy and close to me. Shoulder straps so thin, falls on my skin.
No. No, you're not eating. You said it's not fair. It is yellow.
It's not fair. I said it's not fair. I don't It's not, this skin color is not fair, but it's not fair because you know you'll not give us food and you get a big chicken while us we don't have food.
So I think you have eaten bread and tea.
Yes.
Did mommy eat?
But how can chicken turn to bread?
Did mommy eat? You're not answering me. Try eat bread and tea after you finish eating. Why finish frying your goosey? I should have get away from that thing.
I'm the taste tester.
So guys, at this point, as you can see, I am done cooking lunch for my family, which is the coconut rice. You guys, we love coconut rice in this house. I mean, coconut rice just have this special texture. I don't really know how to explain it, but I know you get what I mean. So my darlings, after eating and I rested a bit anyway, before I came back to the kitchen to blend the tomato mixture I steamed together. But my darlings, I couldn't continue cooking. Okay, I couldn't cook the stew. I just had to carry it over to the next day. Should in case I didn't mention, that was a Saturday, and today that you're seeing now currently in this video is Sunday. So yeah, I continued everything the next day. So yeah, my darlings, I'm still trying to get a hang of the fact that I am a mom of 4, and if you're a mama, you can attest to the fact that newborn stage is not easy. Like, I literally have to take care of every single one of my kids. And here I am nursing my newborn and also pumping, or rather what they call expressing breast milk for, the next use. Yeah, for the next use, because sometimes when I am busy or I am sweaty, I don't get to nurse baby directly. So the ones that I've already expressed and stored in the freezer comes in handy when I need them those moments, okay? So we are exclusively breastfeeding for the next 6 months. So you guys, I want to go give baby hot bath right now. Of course, I'm not going to film that part, okay? I'm not going to film the part where I'll be bathing baby, okay? But of course, I'm going to give her a hot bath. Then, just like I have mentioned already in the voiceover, that just like as I've already mentioned, this is the weekend before resumption of school for 2nd term. So I have a lot to do. I have a whole lot to do. But I'm just going to take it easy with myself, considering the fact that I just gave birth on Monday, which was 29th of December, my birthday. My birthday. Okay, so it's just been 5 days. So I'm going to take it easy with myself, okay? I'll just do the few things I can do. I actually plan cooking. I mean, stew, like I've always said in most of my cooking videos, stew is a lifesaver. I don't know about your home, but in my home is a lifesaver. I mean, once you have stew, you can pack stew with rice and fried plantain for the kids to school as their lunch. You can, put the stew in spaghetti. You can just do a lot with stew. You can even, boil white yam, pack it with stew and chicken, or boiled egg, or fried fish. Just have stew in the house. Stew is a lifesaver. Sometimes I even, add the stew to beans and fried plantain and fried fish and just activate. Once I have stew in the house, I can pack varieties of different food with stew. It's a lifesaver. So definitely I must try my best to cook stew today. Then I'll cook soup, and I mean it's weekend, so definitely I'll cook soup, one of our Nigerian soup. And then what else? It's weekend, and the kids, of course, they have to eat. So I'll probably also make porridge beans. I have one overripe plantain, and I don't want it to get too ripe more than what it is already. So I'll probably just make porridge beans with the ripe plantain. I don't want to talk much, so I can just go and wait baby and get baby to sleep back again. Because once we give them that hot or warm massage and then feed the baby again, they'll sleep for a long time. But I'm going to time it anyway so that I'll be waking the baby at the interval for feeding. I've been able to pump up to that was 80. I've been able to pump up to 80. I should have been able to pump more, but I have so many things to do. I mean, the kids have to eat. My older kids, they have to eat, and I have to work with babies' time. You guys, this year I'm definitely going to get a house help. Definitely, I'm already working on it. Definitely, I mean, school is resuming by next week. Is it on the 5th or on the 7th? I don't know. But school is resuming after this weekend. So I can't do this alone, like with 4 kids. I've tried. I mean, I did it alone with my first daughter is 7. I've done it alone for 7 years now. So now that my hands are very full, very, very full, 4 kids, I need an extra hand in this house. If for anything, for cleaning, once I finish cooking, there'll be somebody there, I mean, to clean the kitchen after cooking, all those 1 or 2 things that the person can do around in the house. So yeah, I'm already working on that. By the grace of God, if by next week the agent person calls me and says the person is ready, I'll be very happy. So that aside, let me go attend to baby, and please, you guys, enjoy the vlog the way it comes. I thought I wasn't going to talk in this vlog, but I just have to, explain 1 or 2, and then I'll continue with voiceover. This is just me prepping over the weekend for the resumption of my kids' school. I'll just do the few things I can do. Luckily, I was able to wash yesterday. I started washing yesterday night. I just started putting things in the laundry washing machine. I just started putting the kids' uniforms. I usually wash their uniforms by hand, but not now, not for now. So I just packed all the uniforms, put them in the put them in the washing machine, and had to spread them in the hanger. Today, no, it can't be today. Tomorrow I'll just try and see if I can iron them out. If I can cook today, then I'll be able to iron them out tomorrow. But for now, I'll just go take them out from the hangers and put them in my kids' room. say this: motherhood is beautiful. Yes, it comes with its own challenges. I mean, we as mothers, we literally give ourselves in this journey, but the reward is beautiful. I mean, whenever I get to look at my kids, the joy on their faces when I serve them their food, or when I call them to come pick their food, the thank you mama they say to me, their joy, their laughter, it makes it all beautiful, and I won't trade this for anything. Yes, like I said, it comes with its challenges, but the joy overweighs the challenges. I love to be a mama, and I love my beautiful children with my life. So my darlings, as you saw, I made porridge beans and plantain for my babies as their breakfast, and I was also able to cook the stew, and I was also able to boil white rice that I served to them as their lunch. White rice and fried ripe plantain and fried chicken as the protein, and of course mama also had hers. Okay, person where they cook they chop. Oh, okay. Person where they cook they chop. So my darlings, I wrapped up today's cooking with afang soup. Yeah, that's the very last thing I cooked. I had to stock up my freezer since the next coming week is back to school for the second term. In case I didn't mention this earlier on, this video was shot on the first week of January. Yes, the weekend before the resumption of school for second term. I hope you enjoyed watching these vlogs, my darlings. Thank you so much once again, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.